Are you looking for reliable, high-quality plastic injection molding services for your next project? HordRT delivers the pinnacle of precision in plastic injection molding. Let's take a closer look inside our state-of-the-art injection molding equipment. We are equipped with a full range of high-precision automated injection molding equipment that can meet various processing needs, ensuring stable product quality and efficient production. Each workstation is equipped with an automated robotic arm that performs part picking, transfer, and post-processing operations, reducing human error and improving safety and consistency. During production, we utilize a mold monitoring system to monitor the internal status of the injection molds and the production process in real time. This allows us to promptly detect and address abnormalities, ensuring stable production and consistent product quality. In addition, each machine is equipped with multiple types of screw barrel sets, such as dedicated sets for transparent PC, PVC, PA, and other special materials. This setup accommodates the specific characteristics of different materials, ensuring stable and reliable production quality while improving material change efficiency. The all-electric injection molding machine from the top Japanese brand SW that we recently introduced makes us stand out. These advanced machines are engineered for micron-level precision, ensuring exceptional accuracy in every molded component. They excel in high-speed, stable production, making them ideal for handling tight tolerances and intricate geometries. In addition, JSW machines are renowned for their energy efficiency, significantly reducing operational costs while supporting sustainable manufacturing. Each workstation is equipped with a connected computer terminal linked to HordRT's internal network, providing operators and quality inspectors with instant access to key resources such as standard operating procedures (SOPs), standard inspection procedures (SIPs), detailed work instructions, quality checklists, and troubleshooting guides. This digital integration enables immediate reference and strict adherence to quality standards throughout production, facilitating smooth, intelligent, and fully traceable manufacturing processes. In addition to high-precision injection molding, our company offers a range of specialized processes covering key stages of product manufacturing, including vertical injection molding machines featuring vertical clamping systems for better handling of insert molding, overmolding and assembly integration, allowing more flexibility and precision in complex product designs, vibration friction welding applying controlled frictional vibration between parts to generate heat for precise and durable joining, ideal for components requiring high structural integrity, ultrasonic welding using high-frequency vibration to achieve strong and clean bonding of parts without damage, seal testing designed for products requiring airtightness. This process effectively ensures that sealing performance meets the intended design and usage requirements. Flocking equipment extends the surface treatment capabilities of plastic products. Our automated production line integrates gluing, flocking, and baking, enabling the customized production of flocked surfaces in various specifications based on customer needs. Silicone processing, professional silicone molding and processing technology to meet diverse soft material requirements. Laser engraving using lasers for high-precision marking on product surfaces, providing durable and fine details. Laser cutting, accurately cutting various materials to ensure precise dimensions and smooth edges. Heat stake nuts utilizing high-precision automated heat staking equipment. This thermal process securely embeds metal nuts into plastic components, even with structurally complex or uniquely shaped designs. It delivers a reliable and efficient insert molding solution. Assembly, offering efficient and standardized product assembly services to meet diverse customer needs. Vision inspection utilizing camera systems and image processing technology for automated inspection to identify defects, measure dimensions, and detect missing components, ensuring product quality and consistency. By integrating these advanced processes with injection molding, we provide our customers with one-stop, high-quality manufacturing solutions that meet the complex and varied demands across industries. At HordRT, quality is not just a goal, it is our commitment. Our comprehensive inspection process covers every stage of production, from incoming raw materials to final product delivery, utilizing advanced equipment such as coordinate measuring machines, EXIF analyzers, surface roughness testers, and various precision gauges, ensuring consistent product quality that exceeds customer expectations. With over 11 years of industry experience, a professional engineering team, and more than 20,000 square meters of cutting-edge workshop space, HordRT is your trusted partner for fast, precise, and dependable plastic injection molding and other rapid prototyping solutions. We proudly serve clients in over 50 countries, having successfully delivered thousands of projects ranging from rapid prototypes to high-volume production. Contact Hord today and experience the future of injection molding. Contact us immediately to experience the future of injection molding.